Okay, did you get yours made?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, you ready?
Go for
Cheers. Let's see how.
it.
Cheers.
Yoink.
Let's see. I hope this is good. What do you think? No difference?
No.
I think it's really good.
Yeah.
So I told these people that we're all trying to go vegetarian. So how have you been taking this? Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm pretty worried.
But so far, with everything that I've cooked for you
Yeah.
and your dad, has it been good?
Yeah, it's been alright.
Are you missing meat?
Yes.
You are missing meat.
Yeah.
Why?
Ribs.
Ribs. I don't think I can duplicate that.
Am I missing meat? Oh, yeah.
See, I'm not. It's not bothering me.
Hamburgers and bacon double cheeseburgers. Pepperoni pizza. Yeah.
I don't think they make pepperoni vegetarian.
I don't think they can.
No. I mean, it's not like as if I took everything off of you.
Yeah.
You guys are getting cheese. We didn't take cheese away. We didn't take eggs away. We didn't take fish away. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like all we're doing without is meat, practically.
Yeah, whenever I get tuna fish or shrimp, I look forward to that.
Yeah.
Because I don't leave the house often and I'm not getting enough meat on the outside.
Now, if you were at McDonald's, what would you eat? Would you eat meat?
Yeah.
You would.
Yeah.
Why?
Because of the stuff that I miss. The McRib and the double quarter pounder. Oh, yeah.
But if you keep thinking that way, you're not going to succeed.
Yeah.
Me, I can care less.
Yeah.
I love this. This is my favorite dish besides Chinese. I cannot live without Mexican or Chinese food. My favorite.
Yeah, we used to go to the Chinese joint, go all you can eat. We went to this one place in Washington, PA.
That was nice.
They have butterfly shrimp there. Oh man, with panko.
You could still eat that.
Yeah, with panko breading.
That's good. Well, when we went to Chinese, I just didn't eat any meat.
Oh really?
No, wait a minute. I had wonton soup, and they did have a little bit of meat in that, but I think that's all I had. Then I had a salad, I had white rice, I had green beans, I had mushrooms. And by that time, I was full.
Yeah.
I was stuffed. I couldn't eat no more. So, okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about Quorn's meat? Do you think your dad's going to notice? Now, if I don't say anything, if I just give it to him in a bowl, and I don't say anything to him, do you think he's going to notice?
I cannot say.
Well, we're going to find out.
Let's get it on camera. Spy
We're
camera.
gonna find out if he notices the difference. He probably won't.
Well, he's gonna suspect that it's fake. Because last time he made those chicken patties, and we were thinking, no, this can't be real chicken.
But it was good.
It was good.
Why did he say that? He said this isn't real meat. Did he really say that? Shame on him.
Yeah, he said that mom wouldn't feed us real meat. So he suspected that it wasn't real.
I don't know why. I told him it was real chicken.
Yeah, you told me that too.
They tasted just like it. And you ate the second one.
Yeah.
This is good. Geez, babe, I'm getting full already. That was good. Those beans took forever to make.
How long did it take?
Oh my gosh, like 3 hours?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the difference if you buy them in a can? Just more
I
sodium?
don't like can.
More salt?
I don't know. When I put cumin in this, and I put onions in it, and the beans, I put a little bit of hot sauce in it, but you can't tell. Just flavor. And I put the pink Himalayan salt in it, and then I just mash it up, and I just cook it till the beans get real soft. And I take my mixer and I whip the heck out of it.
Yeah.
But I don't fry this over again.
Yeah.
I just whip it so it don't got no fat in it. But I don't know. I just don't like the can.
Yeah.
I bought the can once and threw it away. I did. I took one bite of it and I went, oh my gosh, who in the heck could eat this? I couldn't. I threw it away. I don't know. To me, it just doesn't taste like this.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like these.
No difference between, well, to me, difference between these beans and the beans in a can is you just need more salt.
Really?
That's it.
Do they even put, I don't even think I put cumin in it.
I don't know.
I think these are better.
They were supposed to work on smell-o-vision. I guess, I don't know if they succeeded or not. I heard that it was in development.
Really? Anyway, the meat, I think the meat's very good. I used the camera before we started eating. For 2/3 of a cup, it's 110 calories. And it says here it's made out of mushrooms. Different kinds of mushrooms. And really, it don't even taste like mushrooms.
Of course, it's missing the fat.
Yeah, but it's good. And when I started cooking it, I put it in the pan. And I noticed it absorbed the water right away. So there's a lot of spice in this meat. I would buy it again. I would make it in chili. Maybe lasagna. I think it would take on the flavors of the sauces. It's good. I'm happy with it. I would buy it again. But if you were to rate it like 1 to 10, like 1 meaning it's horrible, I'm never going to eat it again, and 10, oh, it's fabulous, there's nothing in the world like this ever, where would you put this?
say about a 7, 8.
Yeah, I think I'd probably put her at about a 7. I mean, it's good, but it's still lacking that ground meat flavor. But it's softer. It's taken on more of the flavor of the taco seasoning. I think it's good. I mean, if I probably were to serve it to somebody that is a meat eater
They're gonna say how tender it is.
and didn't know it was ground meat, they probably wouldn't even know. Agree?
Yeah.
They'd probably say, boy, is that soft? Or something to that. But that's the only thing I can think of. Excuse me. Anything else about it?
That's it.
Oh, corn ground.